Hi, my name is Cassandra Bowen. I'm a tutor and I have a passion for education. I have also been a trainer at a health insurance company. I like the idea of teaching. I like when people learn the things that you're trying to teach them. It really gives me a lot of joy. From as young as 9 years old, I've been teaching a lot of my peers, a lot of younger children in the neighborhood. I always like to teach them how to read and teach them the joy of reading, because that's something that I find gets lost, the actual joy of reading. Reading is something to be treasured and something to be cherished, because when you read, you end up in a world that's not your own. You almost like you end up in another world. So far I've published 8 books. I've published 3 early readers and 3 mathematics workbooks as well, for the reception to infants B levels. I've also published this big picture coloring and activity book and also a writing workbook. I really compiled a lot of these books from information that I would have gathered over the years when teaching my own children how to read and helping them with their math homework, because I always give extra worksheets. So with those worksheets, I decided to help other children learn these same things that I would have taught my children. My books really help the children learn the topics, but it also helps the parents. I have written this with parents in mind. All of my books are written with parents in mind. My mathematics books, for example, they have a lot of really broken down notes that help not only the children, but also their parents with the step-by-step, how the step-by-step instructions, how they're supposed to do the work and how to think about the work that's being given to them. And it really does help to have a lot of these instructions and these notes. Right now you can obtain my mathematics workbooks at Kittias Enterprises in Tudor Bridge in People's Mall. You can also find some copies at Day's Bookstore in Independence Square in town. In the summertime, all my books are going to be available at many different bookstores, as they usually are. If you really want to help support your children in their journey of learning, their journey of education, my books are very, very helpful. They have a lot of examples. They have a lot of practice that they can do. There's a lot of space to practice each topic that they will learn in school. So this is my mathematics practice workbook, level 2. This is meant for infants A children. So as you can see, there's a lot of practice exercises for addition, subtraction, a whole slew of topics. Everything that they'll encounter during their infants A year is what you will find in this book. And the same thing goes for all of my other books as well.